SketchUp hasn't changed, but how we use it might be about to. Over the last few videos, we've started with simple modeling. Then we looked at why AI modeling often gets things wrong. And then we built our own tool. And we expanded this into a system. I think this is where things start becoming really interesting. Because maybe the future isn't about downloading more plugins. Maybe it's about building tools around the way you think. Not someone else's work or their workflow, your workflow. AI isn't replacing designers, it's amplifying how we think. The value is no longer just in drawing geometry, it is in defining systems. Because once the logic exists, you can generate endless varieties. And they all stay correct. Now, imagine this at scale. Retail rollouts, exhibition designs, and architectural components. This isn't just about one counter anymore. This is about designing the logic behind the objects. And by the way, on Saturday I'm posting an additional video showing you some of these custom tools which can actually replace existing SketchUp extensions entirely. So if you're interested in that side of things, keep an eye out for that video. But what excites me most, and here's my final thought, is that SketchUp still stays simple. That is the beauty of it. You don't need to reinvent SketchUp. You just need to rethink how you use it. This started as an experiment, but I genuinely think that this is the beginning of a different way of working. Not modeling objects, but designing systems. Not drawing geometry or defining how the geometry behaves. Don't just use the tool, define how it works.